Hi, I'm Sahil, and today we are going to perform a conductometric titration of strong acid versus a strong base. The apparatus required for this experiment is burette conductometer, burette stand, and beaker. Oxalic acid, HCl solution, NaOH solution. Pipette, measuring cylinder, and phenolphthalein.
And I am Mamta from BSc Chemistry Honours final year.
First we make the solution of 0.63 gram of oxalic acid. Dissolve in 100 ml of water. Dissolve it well until oxalic acid completely dissolve in it. Secondly, we make solution of NaOH. Dissolve in 250 ml of water. Next we make the solution of HCl. 10 ml of HCl dissolve in 40 ml of water. Mix it well and keep aside. Now fill the burette with NaOH. First, wash the electrode with water, and after filling burette, now take a beaker and put the electrode into the water and put HCl into it and put the electrode into HCl solution. Now add 0.5 ml of NaOH volume into HCl and note out the reading. Our first reading is 0.5. Again 0.5 ml of NaOH into HCl solution and note down the reading again. Run down 0.5 ml of NaOH from the burette and note down the conductivity. Repeat this until neutralization point is reached. That is, first conductivity starts decreasing, but after neutralization point it begins to increase. Note the 10 readings of this by repeat these steps until neutralization takes place and note down the reading again and again. In the next step, plot a graph of conductivity versus volume of NaOH used by using all these readings.